ever been in a conversation where people are laughing, making jokes, or referencing movies and you feel completely lost?
You understand the words, but not the meaning behind them, and you're not sure how to respond.
Today, we're going to fix that by helping you understand and confidently use a very popular expression you'll hear on May 4th.
That's right. Today's conversation is based on a well-known cultural phrase in English. May the 4th be with you. I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna. If you've heard it but didn't fully understand it or didn't know how to reply, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll feel comfortable, confident, and ready to join the conversation naturally.
Let's get started.
All right, we're recording, and today is May 4th. Leo, I feel like I should say something special.
I think you already know what to say.
All right, May the 4th be with you.
There it is. Perfect delivery.
I've heard this phrase so many times, but I remember the first time I heard it, I was confused.
Same here. If you're learning English, this is one of those moments where the sentence sounds clear, but the meaning isn't obvious.
Exactly, because grammatically it sounds like a normal sentence, but culturally it's a reference.
Right, so let's break it down naturally. This phrase comes from a very famous line, "May the Force be with you."
And that's from Star Wars, one of the most popular movie franchises in the world.
Now here's the interesting part. Force and fourth sound very similar in English pronunciation.
So people created a pun.
Exactly. A pun is a type of joke that plays with words that sound similar but have different meanings.
So instead of saying, "May the Force be with you," people say, "May the 4th be with you," referring to May 4th.
And that's why May 4th has become an unofficial holiday for Star Wars fans.
That word pun is really useful. Let's say it clearly. Pun.
A pun is a joke based on wordplay. You'll hear it a lot in English humor.
Good. Now let's continue.
So Anna, let me ask you, are you actually a Star Wars fan?
I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan, but I've watched some of the movies. I understand the basics.
That makes sense. I feel like a lot of people are in that category.
Yeah, like I recognize the characters, I know the music, I understand the references, but I'm not deeply involved.
Right, you're familiar but not obsessed.
Exactly. What about you?
I'm a bit more into it. I've watched most of the movies and I really enjoy the universe, the storytelling, and the characters.
That makes sense. And I think this is where English learners sometimes feel uncomfortable.
How so?
When people around them are talking about something popular, like movies, sports, or holidays, and they don't fully understand, they don't know how to participate.
That's a great point. So let's show them how to handle that naturally.
Let's say I don't really understand the reference. What could I say?
You could say something simple like, "Hey, I've heard that before, but can you explain what it means?"
That's a great sentence. It's polite, natural, and shows interest.
Exactly. Or you could say, "I'm not super familiar with that. Can you tell me more?"
I like that. It sounds relaxed and honest. So to our listeners, if you hear this phrase today, maybe at work, online, or in a casual conversation, and you're not completely sure how to respond, let's walk through it together.
Right. So if someone says, "May the 4th be with you," how should you respond?
You could respond in the same way. May the 4th be with you too.
Or even just smile and say, "Thanks, you too."
Simple and natural.
Exactly. You don't need to overthink it.
Do people celebrate this in a big way?
Some do. You'll see people wearing costumes, watching the movies, posting online.
That's interesting. It's like a fun, unofficial celebration.
Exactly. It's not a formal holiday, but culturally it's very recognizable.
I see. So even if you're not a fan, you'll probably hear about it.
Definitely, especially online or at work.
Let's practice a quick scenario. You walk into work on May 4th and a coworker says, "May the 4th be with you." What do you say?
Option 1, "Thanks, you too." Option 2, "May the 4th be with you as well." Option 3, "Nice one, I like that."
I like option 3. It feels very natural.
Yeah, it shows you understand the joke.
And this is the key idea for today. You don't need to understand everything perfectly.
You just need enough understanding to participate.
Exactly. Even a small response can keep the conversation going.
I think cultural references like this are actually great for learning English.
I agree. They help you connect with people.
And they make conversations more fun.
But they can also feel intimidating at first.
That's true, but the more you hear them, the more natural they become.
Right, it's just exposure and practice.
Let's do one more full example. I'll start. Hey Anna, May the 4th be with you.
Nice one. You too. I've heard that before, but I'm still learning the reference.
That's fair. It's from Star Wars. Kind of a wordplay joke.
Got it. That makes sense.
And just like that, you're part of the conversation.
And that's the goal. Not perfection, but participation.
Today, you practiced how to understand a cultural reference, respond naturally, and ask for clarification when needed.
These are real skills you can use in everyday conversations.
So next time you hear, May the 4th be with you, you'll know exactly what to do.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to speak, even if it's not perfect.
If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Thanks for learning with us today.
And May the 4th be with you.
Always.